Hi, and welcome to our series of video tutorials for the web console. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a form on your website that allows your visitors to subscribe to your database. Before watching this video, you should have already set up your custom fields and your subscription groups. If you haven't done this, watch our video on setting up your database in the knowledge base. Getting contacts to add themselves to your database is one of the main aims of your online presence, and you do this by creating a sign-up form on your website. Visitors will give you their contact details if you have something of value to give them in return, so use a strategy like loyalty club membership or a free report download to encourage them to fill in your online form and subscribe to your database. To create a sign-up form, click on Settings in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll to the left panel and click on Contact Database, and then click Website Sign-up Forms. When the screen refreshes, click Add Sign-up Form. I'm going to create a form that allows people to sign up to my loyalty club, so I'll call this form Loyalty Club Sign Up. After my contact signs up, I can choose to show them a confirmation message, which I can edit using the formatting tools here. Alternatively, because I have my website with the web console, I can redirect them to a page on my website, such as my event listing. Lastly, I can redirect them to a completely different web page which is not necessarily on my website. I want to receive an email every time somebody signs up to my loyalty club, so I choose Yes here and type in my email address. I can also automatically add my new contact to any one of my subscription groups, or give them the option to sign up to this group. If you find that your sign-up form is getting spammed by internet spam bots, you can turn on the word verification feature. You've probably seen this kind of technique before, and it's very handy for ensuring that only humans are filling in your form. When you are done, click Next. Now, I need to select the fields that I want to collect in my form. The shorter the form, the better, but you can see here that all of my standard and custom fields have appeared. I only want the first name, last name, and email address fields in my form, so I'll select the others and click Delete. Done. Now I'll click Next to move on to the next step. Okay, this part looks tricky, but it's actually pretty easy. In this field, we have some code that we need to copy and paste into our website. I'll be adding the code to the website myself, but if I wanted to email this code to somebody else, I would change this field here, then copy and paste the code into an email and send it to them. I can also choose whether or not to use HTML tables. Here's the general rule. If your website is with the web console, then leave this field set to No. This is the default setting and it looks great on our websites and is disability friendly. If you don't have a website within the web console, then select Yes here. Click on the code and copy it into your clipboard. Then click Finish. You'll be reminded that you cannot make changes to the form after you've saved it. If your website is with the web console, the next step is to add the code you have copied into a new page on your website. To do this, click on Website in the top navigation bar, then Manage Pages, and then Content Pages. When the page changes, click Add Page. Fill out page name in menu and title fields. Then scroll to the Edit window and give the page a heading. The next step is to click on the Source button, place your cursor where you want to position the form, and then paste the code you copied earlier into the Edit window. If we click on the Source button again, we can see the basic outline of our sign-up form. Select Go Back to Page List and then click on Save Page. When the page refreshes, find your new page in the list, then click on View. Voila! Here's our sign-up form. I recommend that you go ahead and test the form to make sure that it's working properly. Looks pretty good to me. And if we go back and check our contacts list, we can see that the test account I've just created has appeared and that everything is working perfectly. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget there's a number of other video tutorials in the knowledge base that can help you get the most out of the web console. In the meantime, thanks for watching.